Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show how to bold text in Messenger. First, open the Messenger app on your phone. Then open any conversation where you want to send a bold message. Now, tap on the message typing box. Type an asterisk brackets before the text. Type the message you want in bold. Add another asterisk brackets at the end of the text. Tap Send to send the bold text message. Open any browser on your phone, like Chrome or Safari. Then go to the website texttrick.com. Once the website opens, tap on the text box and type the message you want to change into a bold or fancy style. After typing your message, scroll down the page. You will see many different font styles and text designs available. Browse through the list and choose the style you like the most. Tap. Copy next to the font you want. Go back to Messenger. Paste the copied text into the chat. Tap Send to send the text in that font. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.